Hi, I am Kirti, an HMS developer from HUAWEI India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. In this video series, we are going to develop a cab booking application using HUAWEI Location Kit, Map Kit and Site Kit. In this application, user can book cabs easily by source and destination addresses, which updates user's current location frequently and pinpointed on the map. This app automatically gets the input of source address based on user's current coordinates using reverse geocoding functionality. User can select the source and destination addresses easily using the site widget or via custom markers. The app searches for nearby cabs using the site kit. Once user confirms the booking, driver will pick them up from the source location and drop them off at their destination through route planning provided by Map Kit. Let's see how the final application will look. Open the cab booking application. HUAWEI map view will be displayed on the screen. Tap on Enter Drop Location field and set the drop location. Now tap on Confirm Booking button. Cab will be displayed on the map with route to your location. Once cab reaches your location, the destination route will be displayed from your location. Cab will be moved to your destination location via displayed route on the map. Today, I am going to explain about the integration of HUAWEI Location Kit to develop cab booking application. We will get the user's current location and real-time location updates using fused location functionality of Location Kit. Now, let's start coding. Open HUAWEI developer website. Go to Console, App Gallery Connect. Open My Apps. Click on New App. Enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects. Select Manually, enter the package name. Enter the package name and save. Set the default data processing location. Open Manage API section. Enable the Location Kit, Site Kit and Map Kit APIs. Now add SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application and download the AJConnect services.json file. Open Android Studio, add AJConnect services.json file under app directory. Verify the package name. Open project level build.gradle file, add HUAWEI Maven repository and class path. Open application level build.gradle file, add AJConnect plugin and Location Kit dependency. Open manifest file and add the required permissions. Open the HUAWEI map activity, initialize the location update callback listener in onCreate method. In onLocationResult callback method, get the location object and update the user current location. To achieve this, initialize the fused location provider client object. Obtain the settings client instance and check the runtime permissions. In checkLocation setting method, create a location setting request builder. Get the location request by calling create location request method and add to add location request method. Get location setting request method by calling builder.build method. Call check location settings to check the device settings and add onSuccessListener callback method. In onSuccess, initiate location requests when the location settings meet the requirements. In add onCancelListener callback method, call getLastLocation method to update the current location. Obtain location object in add onSuccessListener method and set as pickup latitude and longitude. And set on user current lat long object. Now the coding is completed. Well, that's all for today's episode. In the upcoming video of this series, we will take you through the integration of HMS Map Kit to develop cab booking application. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or visit HUAWEI developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.